In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed a video in Constant Contact. To begin, open your Constant Contact email editor and make sure you are in the layout where you can add content blocks to your message. Embedding a video in Constant Contact is done by using the built-in video block. This does not place a playable video directly inside the email the way a web page does, because most email clients do not support that reliably. Instead, Constant Contact creates a video thumbnail image with a play button that links out to the video. This is a clean, safe approach that works well across inboxes and still drives viewers to your content. First, look at the left panel of the editor where you can find different types of blocks you can add. Locate the video block, then drag it from the left panel and drop it into your email where you want the video to appear. Place it in a spot that makes sense in the flow of your message, usually near a short introduction line that explains what the viewer is about to watch. Next, click directly on the video block you just added. When it is selected, choose Edit. This opens the settings for that block, where you will connect the block to your video. Now paste in the full video URL from your hosting platform. Constant Contact supports links from YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia. Make sure you copy the web address exactly as it appears in your browser, so the system can recognize it and pull in the correct preview. It also helps to use a public, shareable link so your subscribers can view it without running into access restrictions. After the link is in place, click Insert. Constant Contact will generate the video preview in your email. Take a moment to confirm that the thumbnail loads properly and that it matches the video you intended. If anything looks off, reopen Edit and double-check the URL you pasted. Once the preview looks right, you are set. Your email will display the video image, and subscribers can click it to watch the video. And that is all there is to it.